StepCapture is a super smart Chrome extension that automatically documents any process you do on your computer. First, I click the StepCapture icon in my browser bar. See it right there? I click it, and this little menu pops up. All I have to do is click Start Recording, and we're off. Now I just perform the daily process like I normally would. No thinking about documenting, no pausing to take screenshots. I just work. And if there is any sensitive information accidentally in the screenshot, I can blur it in one click for security. Okay, the process is done. Now I go back to the StepCapture extension and click Stop Recording. Whoa, look at that. In seconds, StepCapture built this entire guide. It captured every single click I made, took perfectly framed screenshots, and even wrote the descriptions for me. This is the power of automation. Now, let's say I want to make this even better. That's where StepCapture's easy editing comes in. I can just click any text and change it. So easy. I can just drag and drop steps if I want to change the order. No copying and pasting. In less than a minute, I have reviewed and polished this guide. It's now ready for my team. But StepCapture doesn't stop there. All your guides are saved in your personal dashboard, a single searchable home for all your team's knowledge. You can share a guide with a single link, no attachments, no confusion. Organize everything into folders, or export it as a beautiful PDF to add to your training manuals. This is how you build a living knowledge base that scales with your team. Imagine using this across your company. HR can create self-guided onboarding tours for new hires. IT can document how to troubleshoot common tech issues. Customer support can build a library of answers, reducing ticket times. And you can finally stop repeating yourself and get back to the most important work. So, what are you waiting for? Stop the tedious documentation cycle and start creating guides at the speed of click. Go to StepCapture.com and try it completely free. Your future, less stressed self will thank you. Thanks for watching.